Welcome everyone! Today we're delving into the fascinating world of marigolds and exploring whether these vibrant flowers have the power to keep pests at bay. First off, let's get acquainted with our little yellow and orange friends. Marigolds are native to Central America and belong to the daisy family. They come in various species like French Marigold tagatis patula, African Marigold tagatis erecta, and Mexican mint Marigold tagatis lucida. These delightful flowers are not only beautiful, but also have some surprising benefits for your garden. One of the most talked about qualities of marigolds is their ability to repel pests. Many gardeners swear by planting these flowers around their gardens, as they believe it helps protect their plants from unwanted visitors. But what makes marigolds so special? Marigolds produce a compound called thiophene, which gives them that distinct smell. This scent acts as a natural repellent for many types of pests. Some common garden pests like aphids, nematodes, and whiteflies find the aroma quite unappealing. In fact, studies have shown that marigolds can significantly reduce pest populations in nearby plants. However, it's important to note that marigolds aren't a silver bullet for all your gardening woes. While they may deter some pests, others might still manage to sneak into your garden undetected. For instance, slugs and snails seem to be immune to the marigold charm and can still wreak havoc on your plants. Another factor to consider is that not all marigolds are created equal when it comes to pest control. The French marigold tends to have a stronger scent than its African counterpart, which means it's potentially more effective at deterring pests. So, if you're planting marigolds specifically for their pest-repelling properties, opt for the French variety. But there's more to marigolds than just keeping bugs away. These flowers are also known to improve soil health by suppressing nematodes, microscopic worms that can damage plant roots. By reducing nematode populations in the soil, marigolds create a healthier environment for your plants to grow and thrive. Marigolds also have medicinal uses, which have been recognized for centuries. Traditionally, they've been used to treat various ailments, such as skin irritations, wounds, and even indigestion. The anti-inflammatory properties of marigolds make them particularly useful in soothing minor injuries and reducing swelling. So now that we know all the amazing benefits of marigolds, let's talk about how you can incorporate them into your garden. First, decide which variety suits your needs best, whether it's for pest control, soil improvement, or simply adding a pop of color to your landscape. When planting marigolds, choose a sunny spot as they thrive in full sun. These hardy plants are relatively low maintenance and require minimal watering once established. Just make sure the soil is well drained and fertile, and you're good to go. As for companion planting, consider placing marigolds near vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers to help protect them from pests. Additionally, they can be planted alongside roses and other flowering plants that are susceptible to aphid infestations. In conclusion, marigolds are a fantastic addition to any garden due to their pest-repelling properties, soil-improving capabilities, and medicinal benefits. By incorporating these beautiful flowers into your landscape, you'll not only enjoy their vibrant colors but also benefit from the natural protection they provide against unwanted visitors. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like and share the video with fellow gardeners who might appreciate learning about marigolds' pest-fighting powers. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. We'll be sure to respond and engage in a discussion with you. Happy gardening!